Today you can learn how to make 3 easy and super delicious molten lava cakes. These 3 molten chocolate cakes will be ready in no time, so watch the whole video if you want to learn how to make all 3 of them. Alright, in a medium-sized bowl we got 2/3 cups of unsalted softened butter, as well as 2 cups of chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet chocolate chips. We are going to go ahead and microwave this for 20-second intervals. Basically, we are going to put it in the microwave for 20 seconds and then mix it. And we're just going to keep on doing that until it is fully melted. Alright, now we are going to add in a teaspoon of salt. And give that a nice mix. And then we're going to add in 2 egg yolks and 2 eggs. This is basically just 4 egg yolks and 2 egg whites. Just going to add that in now. Give it a mix. Okay, so we have fully mixed in the egg and the salt, and now we're going to go ahead and add in a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And then give that a mix. And now 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix that up. And that is the batter. Alright, now we are going to go ahead and oil our ramekins. We have these pretty small glass ramekins, which we are going to oil right now. So, spray it around. You can also use butter, but we just have oil, so that is what we are going to use. So I'm going to fill these about a little bit more than halfway. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and bake these for 10 minutes on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah. Alright, now for lava cake number 2. Today we are going to be making a peanut butter lava cake. Alright, in a small bowl, add in 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Now add in 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. Now we're going to microwave this at 20 seconds at a time and mix in between. We put it in for 40 seconds and this is the consistency we wanted. Now you're going to go ahead and mix in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk into your batter. Alright, now you're going to go ahead and mix in 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Alright, now you're going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and give that a nice mix. Okay, now set this aside and spray your ramekins with olive oil or coconut oil. Now you're going to go ahead and scoop your batter into your ramekin that is already greased with olive oil, and you're going to scoop it just so that it's about halfway. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 scoop of peanut butter. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for 10 minutes on 430 degrees Fahrenheit. A peanut butter lava cake. Alright, now for our very last lava cake. Today you can learn how to make the most perfect white chocolate lava cake for your family and friends. So let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Ara.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins, the channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey. So I don't know if you remember, but at the start of 2021, around 6 months ago, we made a molten chocolate lava cake, and 6 months forward, we are here today making a white chocolate lava cake. Alright, to start off, we have 1 cup of white chocolate chips and we're just gonna put it into this medium bowl. And to that, we're gonna add a 1/3 cup of unsalted and softened butter. So we're just gonna put this in the microwave until it is completely melted. Okay, so it's completely melted. Just telling you, it should be like a little doughy like this, but that's perfectly fine. Just, we'll get into the next step. All right, now we're gonna whisk in 2 egg yolks and 1 egg white. Pretty much 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. All right, so let's whisk in a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour with a tablespoon of powdered sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and let's whisk this up. All right, so we have 3 napkins here, and we're just gonna oil it with some olive oil. All right, so let's bring our batter in. And we just have a soup spoon right here, and we're gonna spoon it into each of these bowls. So we evenly distributed it between all the cups. We put about 2/3 of a cup into each bowl. And now we're gonna go ahead and bake this for 10 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Before we get into the reveal of the dessert, if you could like this video, it would be really appreciated. We have put a lot of effort into making these videos, and we're also in our 30-day posting challenge. So liking these videos would, share this video to more people, and that would be awesome. Alright, that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the next video in this challenge. If you could like this video, that would be awesome because we would really appreciate it, and we have put a lot of effort into making these videos for you. So liking it would just share it to more people. Click over here for our last video. Click down there for our 30-day posting challenge series. And click right here to subscribe. And we will see you in our next video. Have a great day. Bye.